I'm up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. I got a 1968 Impala convertible. I believe it's got a 327 in it, front disc brakes, power steering. We're gonna do a little walk around, point out any kind of flaws. Any flaws that I see, you'll know about when you get here, especially if you're interested in buying the car. That's why we do these videos. Also do test drive videos, which I will be doing right after this. I'll have them linked together on this page. So at the end, you could just wait, go straight to the test drive. And then I want you to go to my website, which is weMainbsite.com. I got 100 detailed pictures of inside, out, and underneath, and a brief description of every car in stock. It's got a set of aftermarket American racing wheels with some pretty good tires on it. Front bumper's in great condition. Paint's not terrible. It could use a speed buff, which would really bring it out. Looks like there's a little scratch right here. I think that'll come out with a little wax. Didn't feel like it had a went down into the paint too much. Mirrors aren't too bad. Probably hit it with some steel wool and clean them up. All the trim around the windows looks pretty good. The top looks like it's in great condition. Looks like some of this trim down here needs to be popped back in. You can tell that was new. All the clips on the back side look basically brand new, and the trim looks really good. It's like they put new door handles on it, new locks, new seals. Back bumper's in great shape as well. It's not all pitted or rusted up. Little mark right there, that should buff out as well. It actually started coming out a little bit as I was rubbing on it. It's a very solid car. I'm not seeing any rust bubbles or paint chips. It's even got the fabric inside the track on the window. Go ahead and pop this hood. Pops right up behind bumper. I said I believe it was a 327. Power steering, front disc brakes, Very clean under the hood. Still has the insulation in good shape. We'll go ahead and go straight to the trunk. It's got the top cover. When you put the top down, this cover snaps all the way around in these little clips and covers it up, makes it look pretty good. Spare tire jack. Look how clean this trunk is. Somebody tried to spatter it. Probably got a little moisture in it. Definitely had moisture at one point. They put that on there to prevent it, keep it from spreading too bad, too fast. Oops, sorry guys. It's like the seal behind it's still soft. Work our way to the inside now. Door panel's in great shape. It's not all beat up. I'm not sure what's going on up here. I guess the seal just turned. Yeah. It's coming off. It's black under there. This seal feels new. Seats are in great condition. Top looks awesome inside here. Dash pad's not all cracked up. It's in good shape. Well, must have got the wrong key here. Thought it was a square key. One of these circles, maybe. No, it's got to be the square one. Try it again. Oh, of course it works that time. 4581. That's what it's showing on the miles. Starts right up. You got your oil pressure gauge down here. RPM gauge over here. Of course, there's no AC on this one. We'll try the blower motor though. And it's blowing strong, so Your defrost and your heat should work. Trying the radio out. It is working. Radio works. I don't think this will work. Ashtray. Let's try our wipers. Wipers are working pretty good. Oh, it's stuck on me. There we go. All right, we'll make our way around. Pretty quiet car. Got a decent rumble to it. Very quiet motor. This is gonna conclude my walk around video. I'm getting ready to take it for a test drive. I'll point out any kind of flaws that I can find. We'll take her down the road. If it's pulling to the left or right, you'll know about it. I appreciate y'all watching this. You can jump to the end. I'll go ahead and link the test drive video to this when I post this video up. Give us a call, 615-822-4444. I'll be happy to help you out. You can comment below. I'll get back with your comments. Check my website, MapleMotors.com. We got financing options, transportation options, 100 detailed pictures of every single car, a small description of every single car, and we update once a week. I appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again, guys.